Hi, and welcome to 959 Phonics. This is lesson 3, so if you didn't do the previous lessons, go back and watch so that you know how to do these activities. So today we're going to get our supplies ready to go, and then we're going to spend a little less than 10 minutes working on word study skills that will help us to read and write independently. The supplies that you'll need today are the worksheet for the lesson, or a piece of blank paper. You'll need a pencil and a pen or a marker, and you'll need a pair of scissors. So if you don't have those things, go ahead and pause the video and then come right back here. We're going to start with highlight the rhyme. So on your paper, if you have the worksheet, you'll find the spot where it says highlight the rhyme and there is a pen. If you don't have the worksheet, just number a piece of paper from 1 to 5. Okay, so today we are going to say the magic rhyme 3 times, and then we are going to spell a word that has this magic rhyme in it. We're going to highlight the rhyme by writing this part in pencil or marker. So ready? Here we go. Let's spell summer. What's the ending on summer? E-R. Okay, ready? So write the first part on summer. Magic rhyme in marker or pen. Double the M. Remember, we're always going to double that consonant and add the ER. So you should have summer. S-U-M, double the M, add the ER. Oh my goodness. Ib. Let's spell fibbing. Like if you're telling a story, you're fibbing. What's the ending on fibbing? I-N-G. So fibbing, write the first part. Magic rhyme. Double the B, add the ending. It. Let's write the word bitter. Like a lemon tastes kind of bitter. What's the ending on bitter? Good. First part. Magic rhyme. Double the T. Good. Bitter. Egg. Let's write the word legs. First part. Magic rhyme. And then put the ending legs. Ag. Let's write the word wagged. The dog wagged its tail. So what's the ending on wagged? Ed. Good. So first part, magic rhyme, double the G, and add the ending. Ed. Awesome. So the next part that we're going to do is making words. You can either just cut the letters out from the bottom of your worksheet, or you can just take your blank piece of paper, tear off a part, and cut it into little letter cards. I'll go to the next screen and show you the letters that you're going to need for this next part. So these are the letters that you're going to need. Go ahead and pause your video if you need to so that you can make these letter cards or cut out these letters. We're going to start by making a word that you know, and the word is math. So math, go ahead and make it. Math has this ending on it, TH. Well, in the last lesson, we made words that had TH at the beginning. Today, we're making words that have some of these blends at the end. Sometimes 2 letters go together and they make a brand new sound. TH makes the sound like you're kind of sticking your tongue out while you say it. We're going to break the word math and we're going to say each part. Math. Let's push it back together. I want you to change math to mash. Check it and break it. Say each part. Mash. Now I'm seeing that other part that we worked on. Sometimes two letters go together and make a brand new sound. SH makes the brand new sound sh. Push it back together. Make the word mush. Mush. What part do you need to change? Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Ush. Push it back together. Now we're going to make the word much. Like, if you have a lot of something and you have you might have much wealth or much love in your life. Much. Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Uch. This has a different ending. It has the letters C and H together, and that makes the sound ch. We're going to have another word with that same sound at the end, and it's going to be the word such. Can you make such? Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Uch. So for the next part, you're going to need the sound boxes that are on your worksheet. If you don't have the worksheet, you can just draw 4 sound boxes that look like this. Now for sound boxes, we record one sound in each box. And today we learned that sometimes 2 letters can go together and make one brand new sound. So the first word we're going to write is rich. Don't write anything yet, just run your finger under it and say rich. You should hear the first part, the next sound, and then you hear a sound ch. It's 2 letters together that make that sound, so we're going to write those 2 letters in the same box. Here's your next word, rash. Run your finger under your boxes and say rash. Record the sounds that you hear. Check it. Were you right? You're going to do the word much. Run your finger under it and say it. Write down the sounds that you hear. Check it. Were you correct? Here's our last one. Wish. Run your finger under it as you say wish. Write down the sounds that you hear. Check it. Were you correct? So what I want you to do is to take this paper to an adult and show them all of the words that you've spelled and written today. And then when you go off to read independently and write independently, I want you to look for these letters that sometimes go together and make a brand new sound. They should pop out at you in your books. And when you're writing and you hear that sound, I want you to think about the 2 letters that go together to make that brand new sound. And I will see you next time for 9:59 phonics.